Masihata Group. Masihata Sweaters is a highly promising 100% export-oriented sweater manufacturing factory in Bangladesh, established in June 2002 at his own premises and run by its own electric generator plant. The premises contain about 4.05 acres of land. The company has started its journey with a group of most experienced management staff. Our pride that we work in Masihata to swell up Bangladeshi products in the international market, considering choice and fashions for the satisfaction of the quality-conscious buyers, keeping in mind all through their reconditioning the measure. Over the years, we have gained confidence of the most conscious buyers who never compromise on quality and timely delivery. We feel proud that the prestigious awards as well as visits of the reputed foreign buyers have made us to be one of the top-rated knit, garment and sweater manufacturer and exports of Bangladesh.